Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn typecasting using parse method. So as we have discussed earlier, parsing method. The parsing is the one of the technique in explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting, one of the typecasting. In the typecasting we have three techniques. One is parsing and another one is converting and the third one is boxing and unboxing. In among these three, today we are going to learn and I will show the example of parsing technique to implement the explicit typecasting. Initially, parsing technique is to implement parsing, we have to use the predefined method parse. Parse is the predefined method which is available in C#.NET to every data type. Using using parsing method, we can convert from string to any type. That is, from string to any data type value, we are able to parse. So here parse method was defined in every data type in C#.NET. So parse method is available in every data type in C#.NET, and using the parse method we can do only converting from string to any data type. String to int, string to double, string to float, decimal, like that. String to char, like that we can convert from string to any data type. So this is the definition and understanding of the parsing. Now I will show the example how it will converting. So how it will converting by programming. So here I have done already one console application. In the console application I made list of the statements. Here we can see this is the typecasting program project. In the typecasting project, first enter the user will enter the name. Another one is age. Third input is weight, and fourth input is enter employee ID. Here enter name. After enter the name, using the console.readline method, we are reading the entered string, enter the value, assigning into string data type. So variable is name, and another second input is enter age. Basically age is in numeric mostly. Age is the numeric or into data type. After enter the input value, so while reading, though it is entering age will be in string format, but this string format age is converting using the parse method into data type. Here iAge is the variable for into data type. So here converting string to int. Another input is enter weight. Weight also we are reading as a string, but that weight is converting into double data type using double dot parse. Here int dot parse. As in the definition we explained, parse method was defined in every data type. So every data type, double is having parse method, int is having parse method. Another input is the enter employee ID. Even employee ID also we are parsing into ulong data type. So ulong data type is the variable. So like this we can convert the any string to any data type using the parse method. So this is the parse method example. Though we are executing this one without errors, we can see the output. Enter the name Raju, I have entered. Age 34, weight 70, employee ID 37866. So we can see the details. We can see the output as expected without errors. So this is the parsing. This is the parse method in explicit type conversion. So but here we have the some drawbacks in parse method. I can show list of the drawbacks in parse method. Whenever you have time, just you can execute these statements, then you will come to know what is the drawback of parse method. Here we can see the first statement, int dot parse of Rama. Rama is the string format. This string is converting to int, though the definition itself it is saying from string to any type. So the parse method should support from string to any data type. Yes, it is right. As per the definition of the parse method, we made the string as Rama. This string is converting into int data type. That means that Rama value is assigning into a variable. A variable is the int. But here int, that means assuming int values are almost numeric 1, 2, 3, 4, 120 like that. But here the input string input value is Rama, that is characters. But if we will execute this line, we are getting format exception error. That is the one drawback. Another one is, here we can see the number, some big size number. This number is converting to int using the parse method. Though this is also one drawback, like if we will execute this line, we will get overflow error. Again, another one is here 10.5. 10.5 is the decimal number. Though it is a decimal number, but the format is the string format within the double quotes. This value is parsing into int data type using the parse method. Though it is a int and string format, but the format value is incorrect. Because of incorrect format of the value, it will raise the error as format exception. Another one is another string, but within the string there is a x character, x letter. This letter is converting into data type using the parse. Though it is the format exception, error will occur. And the next one is we are parsing null. Null is the one keyword. This null is parsing into data type. At the time, argument null exception error will occur. That is another drawback. The last one is we are parsing numeric 1. The 1 is in string format, converting into data type using the parse method. Here we will not get any error because this is the argument. Argument is in string format, though it is the value is numeric. 1 is the number. So in this scenario only, parse method will convert successfully into data type. So this is the main difference, main drawbacks, and where we will use the parse method without issues, without errors. So we have to understand, we should be clear where we should use parse method, where we should not use parse method to convert from string to any data type. So this is the friends about explicit typecasting, one technique, that is the parsing. So parsing is the one of the technique in explicit typecasting in the C#.NET. So and rest of the techniques, converting and boxing and unboxing, these two techniques also we will see on later videos. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and share to others if you like this video, and if you would like to give any comments, please give comments in the below video. Then we will follow, we will learn, we will reply accordingly.